Have you ever wondered what it takes to become the top cybersecurity expert and why CISSP certification is so highly valued in the tech world? In this video, we are going to break into CISSP in the simplest way possible, and we are also going to take a look at how to apply for the certification, what is the certification cost, and the final and the most important question: what would be your salary after completing the CISSP certification? So without wasting time, let's start with the video. By the way, in the end of the video, there's something really important and free for you. So if you are into CISSP and if you need a free certification of CISSP, then this video is for you. Free CISSP certification. What is CISSP certification? CISSP stands for Certified Information Systems Security Professional. Now, this is the full form of the certification. It's a globally recognized certification in the cybersecurity world, often seen as the gold standard for security professionals. But what does it really mean? What do you get it? How do you get it? And why is it important? Let's find out. CISSP stands for Certified Information Systems Security Professional, and CISSP is a certification offered by ISC2 or ISC2. Now, the term ISC2 or ISC2 is International Information System Security Certification Consortium. It's designed to validate your knowledge and skills in cybersecurity. In simple terms, it's proof that you know how to protect data and systems from cyber threats. It's a standard that is set by the Cybersecurity Certification Council, and ISC2 gives you the CISSP certification, which proves that you know how to protect the data and systems from cyber threats. The next question that you may ask is, why is CISSP important? Imagine you're working as a security guard of a giant digital building. Your job is to keep hackers out and protect valuable information. CISSP certifies that you are equipped to do that job effectively. It's highly respected not just in India but around the globe. So not just in India, if you are trying to get a job in cybersecurity, CISSP certificate is really job effective. And the best part is it opens doors to well-paying job in cybersecurity domain. Now let's answer the budgeting question. What is the cost of certification? What is the cost of CISSP certification and exam in India? Taking CISSP exam can be a bit pricey. In India, the exam cost is around 55,000 to 60,000 depending on the conversion rate. Now, how the exam works is you have to buy a voucher, and in the next part we'll take a look at how you can pass the CISSP exam, how to take the CISSP exam. If we talk about the pricing, the charges are around $800. That comes out to be 60 to 70,000 rupees. Beside the exam fee, you might also spend money on study materials and training courses. It might sound expensive, but the investment pays off when you consider the career opportunity that it brings. So the next step is how to prepare for CISSP exam. The first and the most important thing is start with the basics. Understand the 8 domain of CISSP. These domains cover everything from security to risk management to software development security. Second thing is a training program. Join a training course which is either online or through boot camps. You can use platforms like Udemy and Coursera. The next thing that you can do is practice tests. Take mock exams to test your knowledge and get comfortable with the exam format. And what comes inside the exam? There are some questions, and we'll discuss how the exam is conducted, how to apply for the exam, and how to crack the CISSP exam. The next thing that you will need is a study guide and time management. At least 4 to 6 months of preparation time is required for CISSP exam. Use resources like official CISSP study guide to convert the exam successfully. Now the practical question: how to take the CISSP exam? Once you are prepared for the CISSP exam, you can register for an exam on the CIS2 website. The test is conducted by VUE centers across India. It consists of 125 to 175 questions with a time limit of 4 hours. So you have 4 hours and you have some multiple choice questions. Now let the money part begin. What jobs can you get with CISSP exam or CISSP certification? With the CISSP certification, you can land a job role of security analyst, IT manager, security architect, chief information security officer, and more. Big companies like TCS, Infosys, HCL actively hire CISSP certified professionals in India. If we talk about scopes and salary, a CISSP certified salary person salary varies, but a certified CISSP professional in India can earn between 12 lakh to 30 lakh per year depending on experience. Globally, it's even higher. As cybersecurity threats grow, so does the demand for the skilled professional. In conclusion, to sum it up, CISSP is not just a certification, it's a gateway to a career in cybersecurity. Yes, it's challenging, but with right approach and preparation, you can crack the CISSP exam and ace it. If you are passionate about protecting digital information, I would suggest to subscribe to our channel. Now, talking about the free CISSP certification, go to the website, use the coupon provided to get a free certification right away.